must begin. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. Embrace it all. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within. With faith I must begin. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. Tonight, My troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within. With faith I must begin. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave.
Welcome to the evening session. Before we start, can I please get confirmation if you can hear us? I would like to welcome Pavanji, Trish, Surendarji, welcome. Abhilash, welcome. Madhu, Raj, Satpalji, Stephen, welcome everyone. Welcome Preeti. Can I get a confirmation if we can hear us so we can get going? It's been again honor to be with you all, and I look forward to the evening sessions because they bring so much peace and joy and blissfulness. All good. I got the green signal that all good. Everything is good. Hope you had a good day today. And as we know that we are the creator of our day, we create our life. That once you let the day decide itself, then it can go wrong. But once you decide consciously every morning that I am going to be in charge of my day, how my day is going to be, how beautiful, how peaceful, blissful, and also how productive my day is going to be. Once we decide ourselves, then there is no one in the world who can change that. But the only problem that we don't decide every day that how will be my day. So like anything, like a good painting, or to make a good music, or to make a good food every day, we have to put effort in our creation. But we forget that a day also can be as good as the effort we put in. If you don't put in the effort in your cooking, or if you don't put in the effort into your music or any hobby or anything, how can that be a good? Same way, every day in the morning I have to decide what effort I am going to put to make my day beautiful, to make my day blissful, and to make my life happy and content. So what I do, every morning we decide when we get up that my responsibility is to look after my body and mind. That is my first responsibility before any responsibility of kids, wife, husband, any responsibility. So first I need to make sure that at least for 1 hour I do for my something for my mind, something for my body, and something for my energy. So this is our effort to bring you this session at the comfort of your home, so that you can at least give this 1 hour for yourself. Also you can decide that I am going to go for a walk today, or I am going to do some exercise today, I am going to do some pranayam, surya namaskar, anything, but only for the self, that 1 hour. When one becomes so much bring these things into your routine, then you don't find your life difficult at all, because it actually makes you more stronger, it gives you more time. That 1 hour will actually add hours and hours in your daily time, and you will see that how beautiful life becomes. But one has to come into this. First some days will be difficult, but once it become routine, same like a brushing. When we were children, if you have kids, you know how much trouble they give to brush the teeth. We gave the same amount of trouble to our parents, but now it has become our habit. Now when we get up, we don't even know we do it. We go to and we do the brush. But initially when we were cultivating that habit, it was very difficult. Same way, self-care and self-love is a habit which everyone needs to be cultivating, because at the end of the day, everyone will love you when you are fit. Everyone will love you when you are full of energy. Everyone will love you. Once you are bedridden, not many people will come to see you. Not many people want to be with you. So as long as you are happy, chappy, and full of energy, full of life, everyone will love you. So that is it's not that they are bad, it's just that it's my responsibility to make sure that I have a fit body, fit mind, and fit energy, so that everyone around me can feel that loveliness. That's how the life works here, and we try our best to bring that everything to you. So without wasting much more time, let's get into it. We'll do kriya, short kriya, we'll do pranayam, then we'll do meditation. These small things, classes we do every day, it brings so many seeds into your life that every seed will germinate at its time. When this, we are trying to plant these all beautiful seeds in you, and one day when you need it, a beautiful tree will blossom from it, and you will that day realize that every day 1 hour spending with Mitaji or Mita Wellness has brought so much into our life. I get every day messages how their life has become, and how today I got a beautiful message from someone saying, when we are doing this meditation, kriya and everything, we feel that God has not forgotten us, that there is something which connects us to Him through this meditation and yoga. And that was so beautiful, that in any adversity, somebody can feel that connection. Once you feel that connection, and the power will automatically comes to you. So those who are joining first time, very easy. When we do, just do what we are doing. Second thing, we have to put all the mind into our actions. So bringing every action, becoming mindful, and also anchoring your mind into the present moment. So let's suppose if I wave this hand, I can wave like this, or I can put all my attention into my hand, and the hand now moves into my awareness. If I do like this, I can do like that, but I can feel and bring my awareness into the moment. What we are trying, that we last 3-4 classes we understood that there are two deformities we have suffering, which is, one is not being in present, mind constantly jumping into past and future, and life is happening right now, right here in the present moment. Now to do that, one has to anchor his mind into the present moment. Let me just see, my son wants something. What do you want? Huh? Yeah, take it. Alright, sorry for that. Now we have to anchor our mind into this present moment and feel that every moment what we are doing. And second thing, give your 100%. The more present you are, the more things you are doing in this present moment, you will feel more joy and more happiness. So we start our kriya. Very good. All right. Keep your back straight. Take a long deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly turn your neck towards left. Feel the movement of your neck as back as possible. Place your right hand palm onto your cheek and press your cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly going down, and the neck turning to the right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly hand going down, again going back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly coming down. We skipped one, so we'll go back to our forehead. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Back of the head. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly going down. Again, just become aware of your mind. The moment your thought goes here and there, you can skip many things. Just now happened with me. When some thought comes in, I skipped one thing. So become aware of what is going in your head. Okay, let's go back again. Feel the moment and become aware of what is happening in head. 1 2. The full attention into our doing. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly to be in present. The moment your mind goes here and there, you miss out on many things. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly. Now both the hand again on the front. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Back of the head. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly down. Neck going up, going down. Feel the stretch. 1 going up, going down, going up, going down. Only half circle. Going up, going down, again going up, going down. Okay, now shoulder rotation. 1. Make your circle on the knee. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now for Anahata Chakra, going right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One more time. Opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now for Manipuraka Chakra, going down, coming up, again going down, coming up, again right side going down, coming up. You can kiss your knee or try to slip onto your knee. Again going down, come back, gentle smile on the face, Feel the stretch 1 inch above navel. Go down. Again coming back. Try to be in present. Become aware of your movement. Anchor your mind to your present moment by feeling all the movements or your clothes or any sensation on body. The main aim is to keep our body and mind together in this present moment. Very good. Right side. Again come back. Again left. Center. Come back. Right. Come back. Now I'll make full circle. Very good. Going back. Full circle. Feel the stretch. Opposite. Going back. Gentle smile on the face. Very good. Now open your left leg. Place it on your thigh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 for Anahata Chakra. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Swadhisthana Chakra. This one, left leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Now we'll do Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose. Gentle smile on the face. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Kiss your baby toes. Now opposite. Look at the stretch going to your Muladhara Chakra, which is the tailbone, the tip of the tailbone. Your spine is the most important organ in your body. We have to make sure that we build a strong base. The foundation, the strong base is very important for any kind of sadhana. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now we are going to do butterfly pose. Keep your leg as close to as your genitals. Now go as up as possible, as down as possible. So first is this. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Okay, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. Very good. Now sit in Ardha Padmasana. Take long and deep breathe in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathe in. Slowly, slowly let it go. If you want, you can open your legs like this and relax your legs like that. Very good. We'll do pranayam now. Both the hands, sit in relaxed position. Keep your back straight. Both the hand beside your shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Only with the nose. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Keep your palm on your lap, open to sky. Feel the sensation on your palm. The oxygen you have forced in through your lungs will get into your bloodstream. Into your bloodstream goes to every organ, all the blood cell revitalizing, taking out of all the toxin. You can immediately see and experience on your own that when a lot of oxygen goes into body, what happens? We immediately start to see our mind is getting calm. We start to feel fresh. We start to feel the divine connection. So in Bhastrika we force carbon dioxide out, force oxygen in. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Again anchor your mind on your palm. Scan your palm for any kind of sensation. Tingling sensation, flow of blood, whole entire attention onto your palm. With the pranayam, our lungs get stronger, our respiratory system gets stronger. In this, what happening outside, if your immune system is weak, or your respiratory system is weak, you are more likely to get into trouble than if you have a good strong immune system and good strong respiratory system, you have lot of chances. One more time. Breathe in, out, 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 out, in, 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 out. Relax. Feel the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of any thoughts. Don't judge, labor, or analyze. Just become pure awareness. What is happening right now in this present moment without judging it or without analyzing it. Just watching it as an observer. Kapalbhati, exhaling through stomach 30 times, 3 rounds. Start. Relax. One more time. Relax. Feel the silence surrounding you. Become aware of activities in your mind. Become aware of sensation in your body. Do not respond to any sensation like itching or anything. Just observe it. You will see that every sensation has the same nature of impermanence, and sooner or later every sensation, whether pleasant or unpleasant, will go on its own accord. We don't have to create any effort. One more time. Kapalbhati, start. Force the carbon dioxide out via nostril. Relax. Again, feel the silence surrounding you. Feel your inner body. Feel your sensation on your face, back, chest, on full body. Feel the touch of air on your face. Feel any kind of sensation on face. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing from right side. Put the right thumb on your right nostril. Take long and deep breath from left nostril. Now put a pinky finger onto your left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Now take long and deep breathing from the same right nostril. Press it with the thumb. Remove your pinky finger and exhale. You can also put 3 fingers onto your forehead and put your hand like this and take long and deep breathing. Close. Exhale through opposite nostril. Feel the air touching your nostril inside. Going in going out. Take long and deep breath in. Going in, going out. Take long and deep breath in. Going in, take long and deep breath in. Going out, going in. Long and deep breath in. Keep doing. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out from opposite nostril. Finger openings and closing. Take long and deep breath in. Close and exhale. Again take long and deep breath in. Exhale. Take long and deep breath in. Exhale. Take long and deep breath in. Exhale. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Exhale. 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 Now sit, relax. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. The body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. Take long deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Open your mouth as big as possible and then slowly, slowly close. Lastly, humming, keeping teeth on teeth, feeling the vibration. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe in. Sit in a comfortable position. If you want to sit on chair, you can sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, you can sit on couch. If you are okay, you can sit on ground with a Ardha Padmasana. If you are wearing glasses, remove your glasses. But once you sit in a position, try to be as still as possible. Keep your back erect, neck little bit tilted up. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Usually we listen to sound, but now you become aware of the silence which surrounds you. Become aware of the gaps in my word, between two words. Take your attention to your natural breath. Take your attention to your natural breath. अपनी स्वाभाविक सांसों पर ध्यान ले जाए. On top of your upper lips, feel the flow of incoming air, outgoing air with every incoming breath, outgoing breath. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर. Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है. उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी करते रहें. मन भटक जाए तो वापस सांसों पर ले आए. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostril. बस जानते रहे. Don't try to change it. Keep your entire attention at the entrance of your nostril, steadfastly fixed, very alert, very diligent. सारा ध्यान अपनी सांसों पर केंद्रित करें और हर एक आने जाने वाली सांस को जानते रहें. एक भी सांस छूटने ना पाए. Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है. उसे बदलने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है. सांस लंबा है तो लंबा है. सांस छोटा है तो छोटा है. बस जानते रहे. निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे. बी कॉन्स्टेंटली अवेयर of incoming breath. Be constantly aware of outgoing breath. बस यही जानना है. Just become aware. The breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस सांस पर ले आए, फिर काम शुरू कर दे, फिर सांसों को देखना शुरू कर दे. सांस लेनी नहीं है. वी डोंट हैव टू टेक अ ब्रेथ. वी आर नॉट डूइंग प्राणायाम. We are observing natural incoming breath. We are observing natural outgoing breath. Feel the touch of breath coming into your nostril. अपनी नासिकाओं के अंदर आती जाती सांस के टच को महसूस करें. The breath going in from your nostril, through your back of your throat, down to your lungs. Lungs get expand and then again they get contracted with oxygen to throw out. Now we have to become entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath from start to finish to start. बस जानते रहे. ब्रेथ इज कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन. ब्रेथ इज गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट. बस यही जानना है. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए, फिर शुरू कर दे. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने. अगर सांस छोटी है तो छोटी है, अगर सांस लंबी है तो लंबी है. बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने. वेरी अलर्ट, वेरी डिलीजेंट. Keep your entire attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of your nostril and become aware of incoming breath. Become aware of outgoing breath. बस जानते रहे, उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. If breath is long, let it be long. If breath is short, let it be short. The whole attention at the entrance of your nostril. Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। मन भटक जाए तो वापस ले आए। Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostril. बस जानते रहे, उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें। Keep watching, don't try to change. Very alert, very diligent, like a gatekeeper, like a watchman. At the entrance of your nostril, breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। Just knowing that breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. If it is from right nostril, let it be from right nostril. If it is from left nostril, let it be from left nostril. If it is coming from both the nostril, let it be from both the nostril. Don't try to change it. Just become very aware, very alert of every breath coming in, coming in, coming in, going out, going out, going out. Become aware of entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल होए रे। सबका मंगल, सबका मंगल, सबका मंगल होए रे। मेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल होए रे। जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म सिखाया उनका मंगल होए रे। जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है उसका मंगल होए रे। पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया उस पिता का मंगल होए रे। तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे। सबका मंगल होए रे। जल में स्थल में और गगन में सब प्राणी सुखिया होए रे। अंतर मन की गाठे टूटे अंतर निर्मल होए रे। तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे। 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 Take long deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Whenever you are ready, you may open your eyes. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. The meditation we did today, most of the time we do is Anapasanti, also called Anapana meditation, gifted by Gautam Buddha to whole humanity. Now, what is the importance of this meditation? This meditation gives us in-depth insight of our own mind on experiential basis. When we close our eyes and try to fix our attention at the entrance of the nostril, we are giving command to our mind. We are not chanting any mantra, we are not putting any image in front of our eyes, we are not doing anything philosophical. We just see that when we give a simple instruction to our mind to watch incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath, and we see that how our mind works. We see the first characteristic of our mind, that my mind keeps running like a monkey jumping from here to there to there. 1 minute it is concentrating on the nostril, another minute it's gone deep into some thought. again into the unconscious world of thoughts. We come to know on our experiential basis the nature of our mind, that how unstable our mind is, how wandering our mind is. When you do Anapana, on your experiential basis, you know that my mind doesn't even listen to my simple instruction and keep wandering. This meditation introduces you to your own mind and to the nature of your mind on experiential basis, that I am spending my entire life with this kind of mind which is not under my control. At one place it is here, and in one moment it goes there, and slowly you will become aware where it goes. The first thing on our experience, this meditation tells us the nature of our mind. Look at my mind. How does it work? Keeps wandering. I am giving one small instruction to watch the incoming breath, outgoing breath. But look at my mind, how sick is my mind. It doesn't listen to my simple instruction. Keeps wandering here, there. And we take all the decisions, important decisions of our life with this kind of mind. Slowly, when you do more and more, you will become aware. Let me see now why my mind is addicted to all these things. Let me see where does my mind goes. And with more and more Anapana meditation, you will see where your mind goes. On experiential basis, you will see that your mind either goes to the past or goes to the future. When it goes to past, you will see it creates anger. He said that to me. She did that to me. That happened. This happened. It keeps going into the past, bringing all the angers and negativity in you. On your experience, you will see that suddenly mind goes into the future. What will happen if I lose my job? What will happen to my kids? What will happen to my family? It brings anxiety. On your experiential basis, you will see where your mind travels into the past, into the future, bringing anger, negativity, bringing anxiety, uncertainty. You will see how sick my mind is, that every moment either it goes into past, which is not existential. Past does not exist. It's not real. It's gone, done, dusted. It goes into that some unreal place which doesn't exist and creates anger into me in this present moment. It goes to the future, which is imagination. Just your mind imagination, and it goes into imagination and create anxiety. See the nature of your mind on your experience, that mind goes to non-existent places which are not there in real, create anxiety, create fear, create negativity and destroy the present. It stops us by looking at what we got now. Every moment it creates fear, anxiety, negativity, fear, anxiety, negativity. And we have to train this mind to be in present. The moment you learn to be in present, you are free of all the negativity, uncertainty and fear. This is power of meditation. Thank you very much for joining today. If you are online, please say hello so I can say hello back to you. And it's lovely to be with you. I am going to play a beautiful, powerful bhajan today. Sing with me, and also I'll be here online for next 10 minutes. If you want to write any question, if you want to ask anything, I can answer that tomorrow. Otherwise, the most important thing is learn to be in present. If you are drinking, feel the drink. If you are eating, feel the bite. If you are wearing clothes, feel the clothes. If you are going into the park, feel the air into your face. Cultivate this habit of keeping your mind and body at present moment, and you will see the beautiful magic this universe has offered to you. The moment you keep your mind and body into the present, into the alignment, you will see a sudden burst of blissfulness takes place into your body and your life, and magnificent things start happening in your life. That is the power of a cosmic energy, and you will know that on your experiential basis. But if you don't do that, you will not get it. Nobody can give that to you, neither me or nor anybody. We can only show you the way to get it, but one has to work diligently, honestly and with full heart. Then only life can become a blissful and heaven comes on earth. If not, then we suffer our own destiny. We start with the bhajan, we sing bhajan, and once the bhajan ends, our session ends. If you are online, each one of you, I request you to put your comment in, say hello and share. If we reach more people become peaceful, and every person touch so many people.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ाए, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्वशक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते हरगिज़ हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।